Hey, what's up everybody? Now y'all know I like testing out microphones. I don't know, it's just a thing. I like audio equipment and audio stuff. So today from Tonor, or is it Tonor? I'm gonna say Tonor. So from Tonor we have this wireless microphone. Sounds so cool. How cool? So cool. Anyways, man, this thing is wireless and I like it because if you open it up, you get this. It is a complete package, man. And the transmitter's not huge. Let's take out the transmitter first. You plug this into your recording device or whatever it may be. Let me go ahead and turn this box around so y'all can actually see something. Okay, so you just take this thing out and you plug it right into your recording device. You turn it on, it immediately pairs, and bam. It's not this huge receiver that you gotta use or anything like that. Now I've already opened it and tested it out and make sure it works, but I need to do a range test. So we're gonna do that on this video. Now if your recording device doesn't have this particular plug right here, they actually give you an adapter. Now if you take a look at the adapter versus the receiver, you'll see that this is a TRS or TRRS. I can't remember which one it is, but basically this is mono and this is stereo, I believe. But it's gonna come out mono in your recording if you record from a device. All you gotta do is duplicate the track and post and you'll be just fine. But if you plug this directly into, like, let's say a loudspeaker or something like that, it's gonna come out in stereo. So don't worry about that. So you just plug that on like that, bam, and you're good to go. So let's just leave that connected, because I'm gonna plug this on the side of my camera when we go outside in just a few minutes. Got some instructions here. You do get batteries. I'm so excited about this. You ain't got to go out and buy no batteries to get this thing running. You don't have to charge nothing. The downside is they are not rechargeable. It doesn't, there's no rechargeable anything. But at least you can get started right out of the box. So I do appreciate that. Let's put these back in the box. And then you get these two wind muffs, man. You get these two windscreens right here. And that's a huge plus, because recording inside, you probably won't need it, but if you're recording outside, these come in very handy. This isn't going to block out all the wind, but it will reduce, some of the plosives and stuff like that, and some of the wind scratching across your microphone. So I do appreciate having those here. Oh, by the way, you do get a micro USB charging cable to recharge the receiver. The receiver's battery life, man, I don't even know what that is. Let's see if we can figure that out. Receiver's battery life. It's not on the box anywhere, but let's see here. Working time up to 10 hours. Okay, that's for the microphone. Receiver working time up to 6 hours. So you can get 6 hours on a single charge on this thing. So that's plenty of time. And then this is what I've never seen before. You get two of these bad boys too. So let's just unbox everything real quick. Let me just take it all out of there. All right, we'll just take that out. We'll leave the batteries and the wind muffs in there. Okay, so check this out. So you put your microphones down, right? And then they just roll all over the place, okay? They do have these, little stopping points right here, but they kind of just roll all over the place. You can just put this little sleeve on there and bam, you put it down and it's not going anywhere. That is so slick, man. And it says mic right there. I'm not really sure why it says mic. Duh. But yeah, you can just set them down and bam. I've never seen that before. I think it's a great addition. It just adds more value to the bundle. So let's go ahead and put some batteries in these things. Let me put the batteries right here. And then we're gonna take them outside and do a range test and a sound test, because right now I'm not using them. Of course you wanna know how they sound. So I'm gonna go ahead and go outside and upload some raw audio for you guys so you can see how these things sound. Okay, so I'm roughly about 10 feet away from the camera and receiver. Both mics are on, but I'm gonna keep this one maybe behind my back or down here. I'm at a park. It's actually kind of loud out here. Got a lot of traffic going out that way. We're gonna get to see how good these windscreens actually block out wind, and we're gonna get to do a range test. So I'm just walking back, man. I'm just walking back, and now I'm gonna change mics because this just seems like the proper thing to do at this time while you're testing out a microphone. Feel kind of silly just walking backwards in a park, juggling two microphones, but that's what we're doing here. Anyways, hopefully this thing hasn't cut out yet, because I think I'm probably about, 40, 50 feet away. So I'm going to change microphones right now, and I'm still backing up, and I'm actually pretty far away. This is a baseball park. There's two full-size baseball diamonds out here. Well, maybe not full-size. Nah, these can't be full-size. These are like Little League fields. But, okay, now I would assume I'm roughly 100 feet away. And I think these things go up to about 150. Now I've got both microphones up to my mouth and I'm walking a little bit closer. If it's catching me right here,
This is way more distance than you'll ever need. This is just stupid. I think if you can get maybe 15, 20 feet out of a mic, I think for interviewing purposes, that's probably going to be the best. I don't know. Maybe you're using it on like a football field or something like that, and you need to be really far away from your subject and they're doing an interview or something. I have no idea, but that's a lot of range. Anyways, I'm just about done here. I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff. I'm just doing reviews, man, and I think I like these microphones, so let's just see how they sound. Let me know in the comments if you like the way they sound or not, or if you think they're worth the purchase. Until the end, y'all make sure y'all tap on that like button, smash on that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one.